After all of that hard work creating and scheduling posts, you'll want to see how your audience is resonating with your content. Let's head to the Analyze tab to check out the metrics available to you. The first place you'll land is on the home screen, where you can see your stats across the last 7 days. It's a great way to get your bearings before moving forward. Looking at your left sidebar, you'll see the social channels Buffer supports and Analyze. We'll start by clicking on one of them so we can look deeper into the stats. If you've connected more than one account per social network, you can select the one you'd like to look into from the drop-down menu at the top. Now it's time to look at all of the data. The first thing you'll do is select the date range you'd like to view your data for. Your overview report shares key stats like impressions, likes, and followers showcased in a few different ways using different charts. Next, you can dive into the post report, which not only shows you stats aggregated across all of your posts for that date period, but it also shows you a list of every post you've sent along with its engagement stats. In Instagram, you'll also be able to peruse stats for your Instagram stories. Instagram and Facebook include some audience insights, helping you understand your followers a little deeper. And lastly, while the Answers report is a little different between each social network, it'll give you a great idea of when your followers are viewing your content and thus give you ideas for your best time to post. Okay, let's take a look at the left-hand side again to locate the tags area. This is where you'll see how each of the posts under your tags has performed. Did my summer or winter posts bring in more engagement? What about my latest campaigns? It's all viewed right here. Lastly, you'll see your reports. You can create custom reports by clicking the plus button on any chart or table throughout any of the analytics reports we've viewed. Once created, unless you want to delete or add charts to the report, you'll never have to recreate it again. Instead, simply choose the new date range you'd like to assess and the entire report will update for you. This is true efficiency. And to make sharing easy, you can export your report to send to your team or clients. Well, that's all for your quick tour of your Buffer Analytics. This is a great place to go on a regular basis to keep you informed about which content your followers are loving most. If you need help at any time, click on the question mark in the lower right-hand corner of your dashboard or from the Help Center.